Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will discuss about top and bottom rules in conditional formatting, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about the unique values, right? In the highlight cell rules. So in this class, we will discuss about top and bottom rules in conditional formatting, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So I hope you can see this data, right? So we are having the name column, type 1 column and the speed column. So in this, you have to select this speed column, right? You have to select until last, right? So after selecting it, then you have to click on this conditional formatting and go to the top bottom rules, right? So in this, we are having top 10 items and the bottom 10 items, right? For example, if I select top 10 items, right? And if I change this color to the green, right? And click on OK, then you will find top 10 numbers in that list. Then you will find top 10 numbers in that list, right? I hope you understand. So likewise, you will be having the below 10 numbers also, right? Below 10 numbers. So go to the top 10 bottom rules and here, sorry, bottom 10 items, right? So click on bottom 10 items and click on OK, right? So now see, if we count this direct texted value, which is bottom 10 items, if you count this bottom 10 items, it will be 11 items. It will be 11 items. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 8, 9, 10, and 11, right? For example, see here. So what it is saying, bottom 10 items, right? It has to filter only 10 items, but we got 11 items. Why? So for that, we have to sort it. We have to sort it. I'll just sort this thing. So go to here, sort from largest to smallest, right? See here, we got 10 values from the top, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So for the bottom, we are having 11, right? So why we are having 11? See, for the normal, we are having 56, and the poison also we are having 56. So that's why we are having 11 values, right? That's why we are having 11 items, right? I hope you understand, right? Now I'll go to the sheet 2 here, right? I hope you understand what is top 10 items and the bottom 10 items, right? So now I will just copy this feed column again and go to the top 10 bottom rules and click on top 10 percentage. It's not 10 items, it is 10 percentage, right? I hope you understand. So click on 10 percentage here and click on green here and click on OK. See, so the 10 percentage values were selected, right? So how many values are there? We are having 30 values, right? We are having 30 values, right? So 10% of 30 is, for this we are having, then 10% of 30 is 3, right? That 10% of 30 is 3. See here, I'll just sort this values. Sort largest from smallest. See, so we are having 30 items, right? And the 10% of 30 is 3, right? But we are having 4 items, right? Why? Because we are having fire and normal having the same values. So that's why we are having 4 items. See, if I select these items again and go to the conditional formatting and click on bottom 10%, right? And click on OK. Now see, we are having only 3 items because there is no repetitive values in this bottom 10%, right? I hope you understand how to use top 10 items, bottom 10 items, and top 10% and the bottom 10%, right? I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video And please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please click the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.